I've been diagnosed with MND. It's been sort of 2 years this month actually, where I found out what the problem was, and yeah, like I say, I was just having a few twitching in the muscle in the arm, and my hand was weak and things. So I had a break in work, and so the wife said, go to the doctors and find out what's going on. And within 5 weeks I was diagnosed then with MND. I weren't too bad about myself really. It was just thinking of the wife and kids, because my wife has had a double whammy sort of thing, because her mother passed away of motor neurones disease as well. So for me to go that journey from the doctors to home was yeah, it was just things go through my head. How am I going to tell her what's going on, you know? So yeah, I got in, and it wasn't great, you know, the way she took it. It's affecting my left hand at the minute. I struggle to do sort of little things like buttons, zips, laces and things like that. But yeah, it's only sort of this hand really. My right hand is fine, and for sort of keeping myself ticking over, I'm going to the physio sort of twice a week, just to keep, maintain what I got for as long as possible. I'm doing hydrotherapy once a week, so I'm in the pool doing that once a week, and sort of have a massage as well, sort of once a month, just to keep the muscles sort of relaxed and ticking over, you know. Since we've come out and said, publicly that, this is a disease that I've got and things, yeah, the group of friends I've got and family members and things have been superb, I can't thank them enough.
We came up with a plan, myself, Scott Young, Danny Gabardon, Margetson, and we thought we'd have a game of old boys against each other. So we thought, why not a Swansea Cardiff one? They've travelled from a distance to come and support Jason Bowen, so that's what it's all about.
It's an absolute no-brainer, you can see the turnout, the names. We even travelled and not playing, you know what I mean? So that tells you everything about Jace, we come together for him, both clubs, to be fair, come together to support him, and we have so many events further down the line for him. So yeah, as much money we can raise for Jace to look after his treatment, and to the awareness of motor neurons itself. So that's what we're here for, and you can see the crowd, so it's fantastic.
I was just seeing all the boys and everyone back together for obviously such a good cause, coming together for Bo, and it's good to see the old faces. I've seen a lot of the boys for a long time. You look at the numbers and the boys who've made a lot of effort to come, and it's all for Bo. He had such an impact on us all when he was playing, and anything we can do to help him. Like I say, this is a small part of what we're planning to do for him and the family, so fingers crossed.
What was Jason like to play with?
I would say he's probably one of the most gifted players I've played with. I think he should have made more of his career than what he did. I think talent-wise he was second to none. On his day he was unplayable. And like myself, I had to fight and run and chase and make sure I worked. He had the ability to beat people and go past people like they weren't there. So, how can I say it? Laid back, very laid back. And that's the way he's been all his career, all his life. If you ask his wife, I think she'll say if he leaned any further back, he'd be laying on his back, on his bum. So, but he's a sound lad.
He's like a brother to me. We've known each other since we were 4 or 5 years of age. Going through sort of Georgetown Boys Club, Swansea, and then throughout our careers. So yeah, he's like a brother that I didn't have, because I got 2 sisters, so we're very, very close, yeah. I think the turnout just shows, how highly regarded Jason is, because he wasn't just, he's a fantastic footballer, but more importantly, he's an incredible man. And I think you see the people here today, the footballers' turnout, just epitomises that. He's an incredible guy. It's a privilege to have known him for so long and been so close to him and growing up together and that, and I think everybody, agrees with that, because nobody's got a bad word, because he's just an incredible man.
This is about players who played with Jason Bowen and want to support him. And obviously I think the fans have done that as well. I think 1,200 tickets sold today, which shows what the cause is. It's about MND and it's about Jason Bowen, it's not about Swansea or Cardiff.
I can't thank them enough for obviously giving the Saturday, Sunday up and coming out and to support me and my family, you know, with the things we're going through. And yeah, it'll be a great day. It'll be a funny day as well. I think it'll be lots of walking football. I don't know if there'll be much running involved, but yeah, it'll be great to see the lads out on the pitch again.